Today I'll be teaching you how to install OpenCode. First, go to the website opencode.ai. Then go to the top right corner, click on Download. Now, there are two ways to install OpenCode. The first way is to install OpenCode Terminal. The second way is to install OpenCode Desktop, which I'll show you in just a minute. First, let me show you how to install OpenCode Terminal. Now, if you are using Mac, then you copy the first command line, which has the word bash at the back. You open Terminal, paste this command line, then you press Enter. If you're using Windows, then you copy the second line, which starts with npm. So for this, you need to have Node.js installed on your computer first. So if you don't have Node.js installed on your computer, go to nodejs.org, click on Get Node.js, then scroll down, click on Windows Installer to download and install Node.js to your computer. Now I'm using Windows, so I will show you how to install OpenCode Terminal using the second command line. So I will copy this, then I go to my Start menu and I search for PowerShell. Then I open PowerShell and then I paste in the command line. So I can press Ctrl V or I just right click to paste. Then press Enter to start installing OpenCode Terminal. Now to check that OpenCode is installed on your computer, just type OpenCode space -- version. Then press Enter and you will see the version number over here. Next, let me show you how to use OpenCode Terminal. So I'm in my desktop now. I will create a new folder to show you an example. So I'll just write example, then I right click on the folder and then I can open in Terminal. So this way you can open any folder in a terminal. Then you just type OpenCode, then press Enter and it will automatically open OpenCode for the folder. From here, you can start using OpenCode Terminal. Next, let me show you how to install OpenCode Desktop. If you are using Mac, then you download the macOS version over here. Or if you're using Windows, then you can click on Download over here. So after you download it, open it to start installing OpenCode Desktop to your computer. And this is what you'll see when you open OpenCode Desktop for the first time.